Tired of slow charging and tangled cables? The HEPU USB C Cable 5-pack offers a reliable solution with fast charging and universal compatibility. Designed for the latest devices like iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S24, and MacBook Pro, these cables deliver power and data transfer speeds you can count on. What sets these cables apart is their durable nylon braided design combined with premium aluminum connectors. That means they resist wear and tear, even with daily use at home, the office, or on the go. Plus, the set includes 5 cables in varying lengths, 3 and 6 feet, giving you the flexibility to charge wherever you need. I've tested these cables with several devices, including my MacBook Air and Samsung Galaxy S24, and the difference is clear. Charging is consistently fast, thanks to support for PD3.0 and QC4.0 protocols, pushing up to 60 W at 20 volts, 3A. Data transfers are smooth too, with speeds up to 480 megabits per second, so syncing files won't slow you down. Compatibility is another strong point. These aren't just USB-C cables, they're designed to work seamlessly across a wide range of devices. Whether it's the iPad Pro, MacBook 12-inch, or the latest Samsung Galaxy phones, you get a single cable solution that covers all your gadgets without confusion. What you get is more than just cables. The 5-pack bundle means you can keep one at your desk, one in your backpack, and still have extras for family or travel. And with an 18-month warranty, HEPU stands behind the quality and durability of their product, offering peace of mind with every purchase. If you're looking to upgrade your charging setup with cables that combine speed, strength, and versatility, this HEPU USB C cable pack is worth a look. It's a straightforward way to simplify your tech life without sacrificing performance or reliability. Try it when you're ready to experience faster charging, dependable data transfer, and cables that last. Whether you're powering up your phone, tablet, or laptop, these cables keep you connected and moving forward.